This is David Moss. We're at Bartholow's, Maryland. Westbound, empty coal in the snow. Line west. Blowing snow. Good thing it's clearing the snow off the rails for later. Heading westbound or eastbound. It's good having it empty. It might send L199 up the old main, possibly. Old main guy for heads up that was on its way. Taking a little bit longer than normal to get this far, but understand with the conditions. Nothing's been through the rails since it started really snowing, so that I know of. Started off as kind of a rain and mix this morning, and then picked up around noon. Well, afternoon, about 1 o'clock, it really started picking up. And it kind of slows up and picked up here again the last hour. 4 or 5 inches of snow. It's starting to get a little bit windy too. Three-bay hopper. Should be C782, I think what it said. So it's the end of the coal train. Thanks for watching. Y'all stay safe out there with the snowy roads.